Hi guys, walk with me. Another daily Spanish tip for today is the word ir. In English is the word to go. So kung mag-conjugate yan, malaking bagay magagamit yan sa call center kasi gamit na gamit yan. So let's give you an example. So ang ir pag kinonjugate mo is voy a, vas a, and va a. So pag sinabi mong voy a, I'm going to, vas a, you are going to, and va a, they are going to, or you are going to in a formal statement. So gamit na gamit yan sa call center. Bakit? Let's say natin voy a cancelar su cuenta. So sabi ko, I'm going to cancel your account. Pag sinabi namang vas a cancelar tu cuenta, so I'm going to you're going to cancel your account, and va a cancelar su cuenta, so you're also going to cancel your account, pero formal. So imagine nyo kung ma-memorize nyo yan, pwede na kayong makapagsalita ng Spanish. Kahit sabihin lang, I'm going to, you're going to, and they will be going to. So yun lang, sana makatulong ito. Don't forget to follow my TikTok account. Goodbye. Don't forget to also follow my YouTube account, my Instagram account, my Threads, and my other social media accounts. Sorry naputol ko, pero don't forget to follow and subscribe to my social media accounts. Again, bye.